Wait, actually, sorry? Diganda Iron আছে number 4 Iron আছে Diganda number 4
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, welcome you all to the Northeast India Festival. First time in Bangkok. And actually it's a journey, like we started 7 years back, Shankar Mohand and me and some other friends, that we should promote our tourism, our culture, our traditions in different places. So we started from Delhi, then Bombay, then Guwahati, Assam, and some other places. And lastly, he told me that, why not Bangkok? I've been here like 2-3 years back for a concert, and this is the second time I'm coming to sing in front of you. And my genre is very different, like I sing in many languages, that's a problem. So don't go for the languages, go for the music, go for the tune, go for the melodies. And I believe music has no language barrier anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, we love you, Zubida. The stage is all yours. Come on, once again, join your hands together and welcome on stage the archer of Zubin Garg.
Thank you, and not me, we all are thankful to Thailand tourism, Assam tourism, and all the Northeast state tourism, everyone, for helping us in this process, the process of cultural exchange, and the process of knowing each other, promoting each other. And as everyone knows, Thailand is a big place for tourism, and we're trying our best to promote the Northeast and Assam, the whole Northeast actually. There are 7 sisters and 1 brother now. Sikkim is our brother, so we're trying to promote it at any cost. So be a part of us and be with us always culturally, be united with us. Thank you very much, love you.